So here, what is doing in the hospital, right? We can actually create another surgery folder. Another is diabetic folder. Another is eye folder. We can do that, right? We can do multiple way. We can do really multiple way. Okay. One is you go one by one and you create, or another is you directly say the whatever is called the parents folder name, and then actually the folder you want to create. You can do that. So let's do this. Go back. So I want to create a up all the way up. Go home directory. Yes. I want in the hospital directory, I want to create another directory. Means diabetes. Means hospital has a department. I want to create a folder dept and diabetes. So I'm Mkdir, yep, P. So you do the Dhaka, Romna, hospital, and now you are giving the dept, DEPT dash DEPT, mean department, dash diabetic. Good, hit enter. That's it, it's done. You stay there, create another tab, on the terminal tab. So we will be showing you two tab, how you can verify. Duplicate this. You know how to duplicate this? Yep, duplicate tab, yes. So see this? Linux is allowing you guys can log in as well. So yeah, so we are going to show you what one tab we are doing all the action, another tab actually we are going to verify. Okay, so go there now, see if the folder is created. So we are expecting there should be a folder name is, so you can do the ls, you can do the ls, you can do the pwd to see, yep. Yeah, hit enter. That's good. So it is created basically, and you see exactly you're in the folder. So Linux allows this. So it means you can create the after you go, or you can actually create from the parents folder. Means you just type mkdir space p dash p, then you actually give the parents folder name, wherever you want to create, and you can create without any problem. Linux give this ability because command line is fast. Okay, good. What is the, we have done it, and we done the pwd as well. We are all set. Go to the next one.